I kill myself, I'll stream myself and they'll post it online. Most days I feel like shit, I've been like this, and I